Hey guys, Van from the Better Gentleman, and today we will be looking at these iTeknic 5.0 Bluetooth earbuds. Let's get started. Alright, so they have noise reduction. I'm pretty sure that's just because of that. It's not noise canceling. It has an AI assistant, which is going to be whatever you have your phone set to. Mine's going to be Google, not Bixby. Alright, and it has a 500 milliamp hour battery. I'm sure they mean in the, in the case. So inside the box, we have our charging case and buds, I'm assuming are in here. Adjustable ear tips, your charging cable, which is micro USB, and then you have your user guide. Not too bad. I mean, looks pretty good. I like the case. Oh, that's pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, we're gonna remove these little guys. Oh, so actually, I don't think these have been charging. I'll put that in there. Yeah, okay, no, their battery was dead. Alright, so I'm going to charge these guys up and we'll come back and take a look at them. Alright guys, so the starting price for this guy is 50 bucks, so $49.99. They have a 15% coupon right now that I see. I'm not going to lie, so I'm looking for a little bit extra functionality out of these. I do like the case and everything, but right now my favorite earbuds are the CC com-proof ones. So these ones really have to go ahead and give me some extra functionality, because that one over there, that was really great. This one is rated at IPX5. The other one was rated at IPX8. And so that case also had wireless charging as well, and it was also a very premium feeling case. So this one really is for 50 bucks. That other one was for 30 bucks. So this one definitely has to give me some added functionality for me to go ahead and give it that A+. Alright, so to put them in pairing mode, you just take them out. Yep, they are in pairing mode. So now I'm just going to go ahead on my phone. I'm going to look for the iTeknic, so I'm just going to add that. Alright, still connecting. Alright, cool. And it does also give me like the battery life and everything on here as well. So let me go ahead and put these guys. Oh wow. Alright, so these definitely do sound great. They do sound like they're $50 earbuds. One thing I wanted to point out, so if you go ahead and so they do work like other earbuds. Like if you put them in the case, they'll disconnect automatically. If you take them out, they'll connect. One thing I did notice though is that if you wanted to use them individually, only the right one works like by itself. If you like that's kind of quirky, the left one does not work by itself. I can see, like, let me see if it, like, it says connected, but it doesn't really do anything whenever like I'm trying to play anything. So for whatever reason, it just it only works with the right one individually. So here are some of the functions it does. Voice Assistant is a long press on left or right earbud. All this three-way call thing, I don't think anybody's going to use that. To end a call is double click, and to reject a call, it's a long press. I don't know why it's not a double click, but okay. And that's for left or right earbuds. Play or pause music is also double click on either earbud. Volume up is on the right earbud. You go ahead and just, what is that? Yep, so you click it on the right earbud, and so you can do that in like either like when they're both paired up, or if only the right one's paired out. So the only thing is, so whenever you go to volume down, so the volume down is the left earbud, right? So the right earbud is for volume up, left is for volume down. You cannot use volume down without the left earbud. That's kind of quirky, and I did notice that before, is that so only the right one works by itself. The left one does not work by itself. So that's definitely something to keep an eye out for. You have to triple click on the left one to go backwards and triple click on the right one to go forwards. And it'll say like, oh, what it displays and everything. So that's pretty good. But yeah, okay. So not bad. The smart touch and everything's like pretty good on it too. It's very like sensitive, and it does give you like all of that information on there, like your battery life and whatnot. And overall, I mean, this is pretty good. Like, it's a pretty solid case. It doesn't look cheap at all. It definitely looks like it could be worth at least $50. And I mean, looks, I think, you know, design language and wise, it looks as like, well, professional as the Samsung Buds one. The sound quality on this guy was amazing. So the only like quirky thing was that you can't use the left one by itself. You can use the right one by itself, but you can't use the left earbud by itself. So that's kind of quirky. Just watch out for that. So overall though, like despite the quirks, it sounds really good and it fits in my ear like really well. I'm gonna go ahead and give this an A. Or, well, actually, I'm going to go ahead and give this a B+, not an A. It's kind of like borderline. It's just borderline because it's kind of quirky. And for in other earbuds that I tested, for $30, they gave you a wireless charging case, and this one is not a wireless charging case. And to me, that kind of like, I don't know. I mean, I feel like if something at $30 can provide it, they can definitely do it at $50. But on the other hand, this does sound really well. Like, it sounds like just as good, if not better, than the Samsung ones that I have, and these get really, really loud. Alright guys, well that was my review of the iTeknic IK-BH004 wireless headphones. If you guys got any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time.